Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make some delicious buffalo wings, so make sure you stick around for this easy peasy recipe. For this recipe, you'll only need a few ingredients. I'm using 2.5 pounds of raw chicken wings. I'm going to season this with salt, pepper, onion powder, and cornstarch. Then last but not least, I'm going to flavor this with Frank's hot buffalo sauce. So first you need to clean your chicken, and you want to make sure that it is well dried. I already cleaned mine off camera. Now make sure that you mix the seasonings together with the cornstarch. And in case you're unaware and wondering why is she using cornstarch, well, cornstarch is going to help the chicken to have crispier skin since we're going to bake it. You're going to need a baking sheet lined with foil and a cooking rack. Place the chicken on top, spread it out evenly, make sure they are not touching each other. And then also you want to make sure that you spray the rack with cooking spray. So I did not spray it, but I kind of got away with this because I'm using a non-stick cooking rack. So that's an option as well. So we're going to bake these inside of a preheated 455-degree oven for 1 hour. If you want your wings to cook correctly, you want to make sure that you put your wings on the upper rack. So this is optional, but what I like to do is at the midway point, I'm going to remove the wings from the oven, flip them over. I like to check them, just make sure that they are browning evenly on both sides and getting crispy. Now I'm going to place them back into the oven and let them continue to bake. So once the wings are finished, go ahead, toss them inside of a bowl. So for this recipe, I'm not doing anything extra fancy or anything like that to the hot sauce. I'm just going to drizzle it straight out of the bottle on top of the wings and give it a quick toss and serve it up. So these wings came out so nice and crispy and they tasted so good. So now I'm just going to simply plate this up here with some ranch dressing and celery, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I hope to catch you in my next video.